Welcome. If you manage a Telegram group and want to keep things organized by preventing members from sending voice messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to block voice messages from group members on Telegram. This method is quick, easy, and gives you more control over your group's communication. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Look for the familiar blue and white paper airplane icon and tap to launch the app. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to restrict voice messages. Remember, you'll need to be an admin to change these settings. Now, tap on the group picture or the group name at the top of the chat screen. This will open the group's info page where you can manage all the group's settings and members. Next, look for the edit icon, usually a pencil or similar symbol, at the top right corner of the screen. Tap it to enter the group editing mode. From here, find and select the permissions option. This section lets you control what group members can and cannot do, making it easy to customize your group's rules. Inside permissions, tap on Send Media. This will show you a list of different media types that members are allowed to send in the group. Now, simply find the choice labeled Voice Messages. Unmark or toggle off this option. By doing this, you're preventing group members from sending any voice messages in the chat. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully stopped group members from sending voice messages, helping you maintain a more organized and text-focused group environment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with other group admins who might need a little extra control over their Telegram groups. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.